Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I know the setup is not the usual setup. In case you missed my last video, I recently just moved. This is a temporary move because my boyfriend and I are currently renovating the house that I've lived in like as long as pretty much I've been on YouTube. So that house that I've been filming in for years, we are fully renovating. I'll be more excited about that. So right now I don't really have like a designated filming area when it comes to like YouTube and stuff. So I figured this is cute. Like we have a nice little background, like what, we got some Chips Ahoy in the corner, like, you know, like we're working with what we got. But it has been so long since I've actually had a chance to sit down and film a YouTube video, and I had a really fun idea. So recently I have re-fallen in love with the drugstore, from hair care to makeup to body care to just everything, skincare especially. Like I have fallen in love with the drugstore, and I feel like it's kind of like taking over. Like, don't get me wrong, today I'm wearing a full face pretty much of Sephora makeup. Like I definitely still love like my higher end stuff, but I find myself reaching for a lot of my more like affordable options these days. So without me rambling for the next 20 minutes, let's get into this because I have a lot of thoughts about these products. If you're interested in some bomb ass products on a budget, then this video is going to be for you. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into it. I want to start off with hair care because that is actually really what inspired this video. So I'm going to start with like my shampoos. So I'm sure you guys have seen like all over TikTok like how drugstore shampoo is trending right now, and how it's actually like not bad for your hair, and how it can actually like help your hair grow. So I have so many drugstore hair care products, and I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I mainly reach for these. Like there's only one high-end shampoo that I use, and that's my Redken one. That's for like my color that I have in my hair. Like I literally will use that as my first shampoo like when I go to wash my hair. But the follow-up shampoos are all drugstore. Yes, if you're wondering, I do wash my hair about 2 to 3 times in the shower. So I'll start off with like my Redken one, then I'll move into like a deep cleaning one or like a bond one, then like a frizz one. So I have a whole routine. If you want an in-depth like hair wash video, let me know and I will definitely do one. But that's not what this video is about. So starting off with the Pantene Pro Volume Shampoo. This, you guys, I did not think that I would love it. I tried it in December and I fell in love with it. So even though it does say it's a volumizing shampoo, this is more of like a clarifying shampoo. So this is really going to help get rid of like any oil, sweat, dry shampoo, buildup, anything that's on your scalp. This is really going to help deep clean your hair. I started noticing that just like my hair just wasn't growing the way that I wanted it to. So when I started doing more research about drugstore shampoo, I realized like, okay, I'm not using sulfates. I'm not using any of that. I was sulfate free for no joke like 10 years. So that really kind of, in my opinion, aside from the bleach, explains why my hair like wouldn't grow that quick, because the sulfate is actually like what cleans your hair. And I was never using like a sulfate shampoo or a deep cleaning shampoo. So I just feel like my scalp wasn't getting the cleanse that it needed. And I know this may not seem like long hair, but if you've been following me for a while, you know I've been on a hair journey for a hot minute. And in my opinion, this is some pretty long hair considering where I've been in the past. So yeah, I highly recommend this. If you have oily hair, if you just have a lot of buildup, or you just really want a good clarifying shampoo, yeah, this, you are going to want to pick this up. It is amazing. I'm not going to go through every single drugstore shampoo that I've used because I have a whole video on my TikTok. So if you want to see like all of my drugstore favorite shampoos, head over there because I did a whole video on that last week. I'm just going to kind of like talk about two just to kind of get like my point across about the drugstore. So yeah. Up next we have the Dove Bond Strength shampoo. I just want to say something about this shampoo. I need this scent in a body wash, a body lotion, a deodorant, a body spray like Dove. Could you take this scent and please put it into some type of body care? Because no joke, this is the best smelling shampoo of all time. Like I love the way drugstore shampoos smell, but none of them smell like this. No joke, whenever I use this shampoo, my hair will smell like it until I wash my hair the next time. Like I will literally get whiffs of this shampoo throughout like the next few days. I absolutely love this. So this shampoo is going to help increase the protein in your hair and help repair your hair kind of from like the inside out. I absolutely love it. Every time I use a shampoo, I have no issues with it. I saw a lot of people saying that like they feel like it weighs their hair down. I personally don't have that issue, and I do have really fine like thinner hair, and I don't have that problem. I'm very into this, and I need to pick up the Bond Strength hair mask. I haven't got to that yet because there's a hair mask over here that I want to talk to you guys about quick. But yeah, so this, if you were looking to really like deeply repair your hair and you want your hair to smell good, this shampoo is going to be the shampoo for you. I'm obsessed. So as far as deep conditioning mask, this from Pantene, this is their Miracle Rescue Deep Repair Conditioner with melting Pro V, what is it? Pro V pearls, okay? This is really going to get in there and repair your hair. So if you want a good, nice, hydrating, deep repair mask, this is what you're gonna wanna pick up. Every time I use this, my hair is so soft and shiny and just feels amazing. My ends look amazing. I absolutely love this. The first time I used it, I was very, very, very impressed. Yeah, they say that this line from Pantene, all of the products are really meant to like really repair any damaged hair. And you guys know I used to bleach my hair like every 3 months and I have some significant damage that I think is getting better. But yeah, so this I highly, highly, highly recommend. When I first tried it, I was blown away, okay? I have 2 leave-in products that I want to share with you. Another one is from the Pantene Miracle Rescue line. This is their 10-in-1 multitasking spray and keratin. This is supposed to repair damage, moisturize, detangle, strengthen against breakage, protects color, heat protection, UV protection, softens, smooths, and improves shine. I will say with this though, since I do have more finer hair, if I use too much of this, I can find that it will weigh my hair down. So I don't kind of like go crazy with it. I will spray like my roots and I will spray like my ends, but I notice that if I do too much of it, my roots will get really, really oily like the next day. So with this, make sure that you use it lightly. I kind of like to like use this mixed in with like something like the OGX Bond Repair, which we'll get to in a second. But yeah, I absolutely love this. My hair is so shiny when I use this as my leave-in. It's actually crazy. I did a whole like video on TikTok where I was like, I just discovered like my new drugstore routine and I used this as my leave-in. My hair was so bouncy and shiny. It was actually like, I was unwell because I was like, I used like these products for like $5 each. That's crazy. So yeah, I absolutely love this. 10 out of 10 recommend if you're looking for a good leave-in from the drugstore that's going to kind of like help with frizz, moisturize your hair, repair damage, protect. This, yeah, I think you would love. Now, this is brand new, and I just want to say I've tried this once, but the difference, in my opinion, from the OGX Bond Protein Repair and the Pantene Miracle Rescue, my hair when it was wet and I was combing through it, I was shocked, genuinely shocked at how well this detangled my hair. Like the leave-ins that I use like don't detangle my hair the way that this does. Like I'm not saying that like my hair is like a naughty mess because that's not the case. But the way that my brush just kind of like went through my hair like it was butter, I was like, oh, okay. And this says it's targeted repair and protection from heat damage for smooth, strong hair without the weight. So this is not going to weigh your hair down. So I can definitely say that my hair looked amazing when I was using this. In my opinion, it really just depends like what you're going for. This one from OGX, in my opinion, is really gonna go into your hair and like really repair it from the inside out. This is gonna help with the heat protection and also like repairing it, but I think if you really need bond repair, you're obviously going to want to go with this. If you want a little bit of everything, you're going to want to go with the Pantene. Now that I'm done rambling about hair care, let's move on to all of the other goodness that is in this bin. So I really want to talk about skincare because that is another thing that like really wanted me to make this video is my skincare routine, you guys. I have noticed 80% of it, I would say, is all drugstore. And I never thought that I would get to here because I was always conditioned just so this was a me thing, not like a whatever. This was just me where I thought that like if it was expensive, it had to be better than the drugstore. And that is something that I've learned over like the last like 6-7 years. That is not always the case. Like sometimes the more harmful stuff and the stuff that actually isn't going to do anything for your skin winds up being more expensive. So you don't have to break the bank to have a good, effective skincare routine. With that being said, my favorite skincare brand of all time, well, from the drugstore, I think I'm going to have to say is Prequel. Every time they come out with a product, I'm always so impressed with them. 90% of the time, I'm not disappointed. So this product right here is their multi-acid milk pure. Let's try that again. This product right here is their multi-acid milk peel exfoliating solution. So if you were looking for something that's going to exfoliate your skin, that's a liquid exfoliant, this is what you're going to want to use. I like to use this on a cotton round on the days where I feel like my skin's a little bit more congested, where I feel like I'm getting some clogged pores, and I will just go all over my face with this, and I swear to you, it exfoliates my skin without stripping it. Like, I don't know how they do it, but they do it, okay? And I absolutely love it. And pretty much every night since I've gotten this, I have been using this. This is their brand new half and half peptide and ceramides fluid moisturizer. So you guys can see in here that this is a full-on liquid moisturizer. Like this is not a milky toner. This is a liquid moisturizer. So if you're somebody that has more oily skin, you could get away with using this as your moisturizer. Somebody like me that leans more dry, I like to use this right after my serums. I will go in with this, and then after this I will go in with whatever moisturizer I'm using that night. I am just absolutely obsessed with this because it adds an extra layer of hydration without making your skin feel greasy or anything like that, and it truthfully does hydrate your skin. I have a whole video over on my TikTok of me reviewing it and trying it, and you guys, this, as you can see, can you see that I have used a decent amount of this, and I will 100% be repurchasing this because this has become a staple in my nighttime skincare routine. If you're a loyal follower of mine, then you know that this cleanser from Prequel, it's called the Cleanser, is my holy grail cleanser. This has 50% glycerin in there, and like I said, somebody like me that has more dry skin, I absolutely love this. It's not stripping, my skin feels nice and clean. You can also use this as a body wash. So if you're somebody that doesn't like scents in their body wash, that just wants something that's gonna hydrate, this can be used as a body wash as well. I can't tell you how many times I have gone and repurchased this cleanser ever since I got it like 2-3 years ago. Whenever this brand launched, I forget. It is the only cleanser that's been in my shower. Not even kidding. This and their salicylic acid one, which is actually downstairs. I forgot to bring that one up. That one and this one, the only two cleansers that I will use. I swear by them both. They are absolutely amazing. So if you've seen this cleanser hyped up on TikTok or hyped up on social media, yeah, they're not lying to you. It's amazing. So I want to talk about my second most loved skincare brand from the drugstore, and I think you guys can guess what I'm going to say. Naturium. Naturium, they are just so special in my heart, and I also feel like they're like Prequel, where every time they launch a product, I'm always like, oh, like you're that amazing. Yeah, I absolutely love them. This is their Urea body serum. This is my favorite serum to put on my body after I get out of the shower at night. It's so hydrating, but it's not too thick where it's like gonna leave like a film on your skin. No, it's gonna leave you perfectly hydrated without that weird annoying film. So yeah, this 10 out of 10. I have so many favorites from them. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all of them. I can do a dedicated video if you want me to, but right now I'm just kind of trying to like go through and just explain to you guys my favorite brands. Then we have their multi-peptide advanced serum and their rich cream. You guys, just to prove to you how much I love this frigging rich cream, it is exactly what it says it is. It's a rich cream. You think this bottle is like $300. No, this is like $26 or $27, and you guys, it is so worth it. It's the absolute best night cream that I've ever tried. It's one of my favorites. If you're looking for something that's going to anti-age, going to help with fine lines, smooth out your skin, and deliver a bunch of hydration, this rich cream, yeah, you're going to want to pick that up. And we have the multi-peptide advanced serum. You guys, again, if you want smoothness, if you want something that's going to blur your skin, smooth fine lines, this is going to be for you. They actually just launched a bigger size, which I need to pick up because I go through these like water. I wear it underneath makeup. I wear it at night. Like, there's no rules with this. You can wear it whatever time of day. A brand that I have never tried until recently is Coco Kind. So this is their Peptide Fine Line Eye Gel. This is for a smoother, brighter under eye. You guys, I used it today underneath my concealer, and you can tell that my concealer is looking pretty amazing. This is also their discoloration serum, and this, if you have dark spots, holy crap, you're gonna want to pick this up. This is another brand that's super affordable. I think affordable than Naturium and Prequel. It's amazing. I have been very impressed with them. So they're very hyped, but for very good reason. My favorite lip products from the drugstore, so I have been obsessed with, it's actually one of the ones I'm wearing on my lips right now, the L'Oreal Plump Ambition Hyaluronic Lip Oils. You guys, L'Oreal did not come to play with these. So right now I'm wearing the shade Milky Moo as my lip gloss, and you guys, I absolutely love this shade. I think it's beautiful. I think it's amazing. These two, this is a shade just crystal clear. It's just like a plain clear gloss. If you're looking for something that's going to plump your lips and hydrate, yeah, these are not going to give you the most insane plump, but they're definitely going to plump your lips, and you're going to be like, oh, okay. And yeah, they're like 14 bucks, so super affordable. Brings me to my last product. This is the Phyto Glow Lip Balm Shimmer from Naturium. I want to just talk about the Phyto Glow lip balms in general because they are out of this world. So if you're looking for a lip balm that's actually going to hydrate and it be nice and thick and nourishing and not dry out your lips, yeah. These ones, specifically the shimmer ones, come with this little applicator, and I could not be more happy about that. So yeah, these I absolutely love. Everybody that I've put onto them are like, oh my god, I'm obsessed with those. Whenever I get them in PR, my friends are always fighting with me because they're like, can I have one, can I have one, can I have one? And I'm always like, I mean, I guess. I keep a lot of them for myself because these are just too good. If you're looking for something that's affordable, that's also going to deliver amazing hydration, the Phytoglow lip balms from Naturium are out of this world. Hey guys, so I'm actually gonna end the video here because I do have more products, but I feel like I've been sitting here forever and I've been filming all day. So if you guys want a part 2, let me know and I will 100% film a part 2 for you. If you want more like makeup driven, I will definitely do that. So this is pretty much all of my current like go-to products. These are constantly in my rotation. I'm constantly using them. I'm absolutely obsessed with every single one of these. In the comments if you guys have tried any of these products, if you're kind of like going back to drugstore too, let me know in the comments. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.